Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I shared with you years ago my chore system that I have done with the kids. It's a zone system. I learned about zones from Fly Lady. She has a zone cleaning method, which is awesome because you're basically spring cleaning your home all year round. You're keeping the clutter at bay. I try this as best as I can. It's been one of the best systems for me. I've tweaked some things to fit me and my lifestyle, and it's been wonderful. Well, I took that concept of zones and applied it to my children. I divided my home up into 4 zones and a zone for each of the kids. We rotate these zones each week so that they have a chance to do everything in the month. So there's no complaining of, I always get the bathrooms. So this has been the most successful thing that I have done with my children. Well, one of my children, as you know, Callie, my oldest, has moved out and is now living at college. So I have an empty zone. So I sat down with Deric. We redid our zone system, so now we have 3. So take a peek of what we've done. Deric and I went over the chore list, the weekly zones, and we redid things now that Callie is gone. And when Callie comes home, she fills in the things that I would just like her to do. She's a great little helper. So let me show you what I did, or I should say what we did. We took away zone 4. And zone 4, here, let me show you. Zone 4 was the dining room, the kitchen, and the deck. So zone 1, we took away porch because the kids, I mean, they never really did the porch. If they did, it was washing the windows, and I can pass that out at any time, but they never really, I mostly did that. So, and we took away the entryway in zone 1. The other thing we have in zone 1 is the living room. Because those things were so close together, I made that a zone. Zone 1, we took away the porch and we took away the entryway. So we kept the living room. So we took the dining room from zone 4 and we added it in zone 1. So they have that. And then we added in zone 1 dishes and dishwasher, because if they have the dining room, they're making sure that all the dishes are off here if no one put them away correctly, and they need to empty the dishwasher. So that took away the kitchen portion. Okay, so that took care of zone 1. So we now have living room, dining room, dishwashers, dishes/dishwasher. So zone 2, all house garbage, has stayed the same. So then bathroom, they make sure that that's wiped down and cleaned every day. And then we added the hallway that's right there by the bathroom. That's now zone 2. Zone 3 is still the stairs and landing going down into the family room and the big family room downstairs. And we added the entryway. So they have to make sure that all the shoes are picked up, that it's swept and looking nice and presentable. So for zone 4, we had left was the deck. We aren't out there all that much, and when we are, there's really no mess, so we took away that. So zone 4 is gone. Bam. Now we have 3 zones for the 3 kids. When Callie, like I said, when Callie comes and visits, I ask her to do other things to help me out, and she pitches in. She's great. It's not a problem. So now that we are down to 3 children in the home, this is now our zones. I'm going to reprint this out and put it in here. But now I can see it here, and now I'm going to write it out here on this whiteboard and get it on the refrigerator. Okay, now that this is all done, what we do every week is we just switch out the names here. We just rotate them down. We just move them and rotate them. So that way it's always even. So this is the only thing that gets erased here. So we are ready. So I took that and I redid our binder. So in the binder, I share the zones and the areas of the home that they're in. Then I have a descriptive page for each of the zones of the things that they're in charge of for that week. So if they can't remember, they forget, they just open up the binder and there you go. I don't have to keep telling them what to do. Okay, it is all printed up and new. I even went through and changed the zone sheets tells them exactly what to do. There are things that they need to do daily in that zone, and there's things to do at least once a week. They could choose whatever day to do the once a week. I don't care as long as it gets done. So zone 1 is the living room, dining room, dishes, and dishwasher. So let's start with what they need to do daily. So in the living room, they look for any trash and put it in the garbage. They put away things into the correct homes, anything that's left out like toys or books. They straighten up the pillows on the couch. If there's a blanket, they fold it and put it on the couch. They put the remotes away and they vacuum. In the dining room, they make sure that the table is clear from any dishes, that it's wiped down. They see anything out of place, they take care of it. They keep the floor swept, or they can vacuum it. And they put away other things that are just there in their correct homes. For the dishes and dishwasher, they put dirty dishes in the dishwasher. They empty the dishwasher every day, which I like them to do in the mornings, and wash all other dishes or pots. That one I will say is rare unless they're the older kids. Weekly, they have to, in the living room, dust the fireplace, the blinds, the bookshelves, the tables, vacuum the furniture, wash windows if needed, and wipe down lights and switches. In the dining room, once a week, they need to wash the table really good, around the sides, the chairs, wipe down the garage door and deck door, wipe down light switches and doorknobs, wipe down appliances with a wet cloth and the purple window cloth from Norwex, dust the deck and kitchen blinds and baseboards, but we don't have the blinds anymore, but the windows. So wash the deck and kitchen windows in and out and mop floor. I didn't catch that part with the deck blinds, but that's okay. In zone 2, all house garbage and bathroom. Their daily jobs in these areas are: for the garbage, empty all house trash and trash to the outside garbage. Oh, I messed up on that, no big deal. So the trash they need to collect is the kitchen, the bathrooms, and my office. In the bathrooms, daily, they need to make sure all the dirty clothes are out, wipe down the mirror, wipe down the counter. That's part of the morning routine. If there's any spots left from like brushing teeth, washing up, they clear that off. They wipe down the toilet, they swish the toilet, and they empty the garbage to the main kitchen garbage. So they check those areas, and if they need touching up with the toilet and everything, that needs to get done. In the hallway, they need to pick up and put things away in their homes. Weekly in these areas for the garbage, they need to take all the garbage cans out to the street, and that's usually on Fridays, and brought back up by dinner time. For the bathrooms, they need to clean the shower, and I teach them there how to do that. They know how to do that. They need to wipe the light switches and doorknobs, mop the floor, wash floor. Well, that's there twice. I gotta fix that. Wash out garbage can, wipe both sides of the bathroom door, and put out a new towel. And in the hallway, they need to wash the cabinet windows, dust the cabinet, and vacuum and dust the baseboards. In zone 3, it's the stairs, landing, and family room. Their daily jobs in these areas are: for the stairs and landing, anything on the landing put away. Sometimes things get thrown down the stairs. Any clothes on the stairs on the landing be put in the laundry room. In the family room, all toys put away in buckets, movies put away neatly in closet, garbage put in laundry room, garbage bag, pillows back on the couch, all misplaced items to the correct homes, blankets put back in closet. Wow, I did not check that. I might need to redo that. We don't have a closet anymore. We have a basket, so oh well. I don't really want to reprint these, so these mistakes will stay in. The entryway, bench, and table put away any items to the correct home. Shoes in the baskets, book bags put away. Dry mop, sweep up when needed. Weekly in the stairs and landing and family room and the entryway, they need to vacuum the stairs and landing plus the hallway, dust stair railing, dust entertainment center and TV, baseboards, doors, pictures, blinds, bookshelves, picture shelves, vacuum, wash window when needed, wipe down light switches. The entryway, dust blinds, every table, bench, frames, walls, and front door, wipe down the doorknobs, light switches, and mop floor. Are the kids perfect at this? No. But as long as they're trying, they're following direction, You know, we're not perfect. I don't even do my stuff perfectly, but it's there. I don't need to explain things to them. It's all here. I might keep them in the binder, but I might also take these out and tape them to the inside of the cabinet so they can see them as well. So it's a guide, and we're not perfect at it, but we certainly try hard. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me. If you have any tips or suggestions, or what do you do with your kids, please leave them in the comments down below. If you're new, I would love it if you join our family and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of our videos. All right, friends, we'll see you later. Bye.